Hi guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to send string from one activity to the other. So this is a quick demo. So this is the first layout that will pass the data. So we have two edit text and one login button. The login button should pass the data. And here we have the second screen which accepts the data for the second activity. So don't forget to declare the second activity as well as the first one in the manifest file. Let's go to the first activity. Here we set the on-click listener for the button. We declare the second activity or call the second activity, and then we pass the string using the put extra, and we have the key which is data, and we supply it by getting the text from the username. The second activity, we use getIntent to get the data, but first we check if it's null or not. So here we use getIntent that get string extra, and the key is data. So we put data here, and then we set the text view using the string, and we'll format it so that we can append hello, then the name, and good morning. So by using %s, we can pass the parameter, and let's format the code. So let's try to enter some text, like say Paul. Then let's log in. Should pass the string here. It says hello Paul. Let's go back and let's try another string. Let's type Professor Droid. Now hit login. Now it says hello Professor Droid. Good morning. So that's all guys. Actually, you can pass other data here like integer, boolean, byte, float, double. So but each data should have a unique key. So we can say for the integer, we can say int value and so on.